quick tech tip. So when you're doing springs and shocks and changing parts like turret top mounts, these are all have the same problem when you've got these type of clamps. And the problem is that you can tighten this up quite a lot, but it never takes the spring out of this coil or that coil. So what I always do is clamp these down like so, put a ratchet strap from one coil across. This is just a cheapo 2-ton ratchet strap up to this coil here. Ratchet it up, and then you can change it. As you can see, I've changed that, and then all you do is go to edit, just do that. It's not holding loads and loads of pressure. Like I say, it's 2-ton ratchet strap, so make sure you've got one that's good enough, and make sure it's sat in a way where it's not going to come off. I had this one sort of hooked in under here, and then it was nice and square on the bottom edge, so I was confident it wasn't going to come off, or if it was going to come off, it wasn't going to hit me, because it was also going through the bottom of the vise here as well. But yeah, and then that allows you to be able to put the nut on, because doing it like that, if I undid that now, this would all pop up and I'd never be able to get the nut on. And it's a real pain, because a lot of springs these days have the same design, where there's only a few, sort of 3 coils in the middle, and then a coil at the top and the bottom. And the coil at the top and the bottom can be a nightmare, especially when you get shock absorbers with rebound in them as well. So as soon as you take the pressure off, the shock pulls back in a bit. That's really annoying. But yeah, it's just a little tip to get you out of trouble. Ratchet strap round it, just pull down on those 2 coils. It just helps you change the spring or the turret top without any problems with cheapo clamps. Thanks for watching.